like uncertainty. But looking back now, I realize it was never surrender. It was survival. It was courage disguised as calmness. It was faith without full understanding.
Out of 755 students, there are 651 first-generation graduates today. That means, una kayo sa pamilya nyo na magkakaroon ng diploma. Amazing! Amazing! I am so proud of you.
Your graduation team is Class 2026, values-driven workforce, digitally inclined, lifelong learners. It is a beautiful reminder that success in the modern world is not measured only by knowledge and technology, but also by the values that guide our lives.
When I first entered Bicol University, I was alone. No familiar faces, no friends waiting, no comfort of knowing someone would guide me through everything. Just me, my dreams, and a campus that felt too big for someone like me.
Bilang Pangulo, itinatao ko sa indong 755 miyembro ng Class 2026 sa Bicol University Polangui ang mga degree as in titulo sa manlain-lain na programang akademiko na inirekomendar para sa indo kay iba ang gabos na karapatan, karangalan, asin pribilehiyo, kasabay man ang mga responsibilidad na kairiba kay ni. Perming pagirumdumon, sagkod pa man karakter. Malugot asin maugmang pagbati sa gabos. Congratulations.
If you want to be successful, put those little extra. Those little extra are the ones that make a perfect report, are the ones that make a perfect execution, and the ones that make you shine. What is out there is a much harsher reality, a much difficult situation. One, work even when no one is watching. You know why? That extra work you always put are the things that will set you apart. And being a first generation, being a working student, you want to change the history of your family.
You had been formed according to your core values of scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Scholarship reminds you to continue learning, for education doesn't end with graduation. Leadership calls you to influence others, not through power, but through integrity and good example. Character challenges you to do what is right, even when no one is watching you. And service reminds you that your gifts and talents are not only for personal success, but for the good of others.
I'm going to tell you, if you're not going to share your knowledge and you haven't prepared anyone for the role of supervisor and manager or vice president, how can you become a president? So fight that off when that time comes. Be generous of your knowledge. Share it to anyone, to everyone who has the potential. When you rise, rise with someone. Because that's the only way that you can become a true leader.
We rise with hope and pride. Bicol University, Polangui. We can.
All of us shared one thing. We kept going. Even when we were unsure, even when we were scared, even when we were breaking inside. And slowly, something changed. The unfamiliar became familiar. The lonely days became routine, and the routine became home.
Now look ahead, the world is waiting. Hands to heal and hands to lead. Not just for glory, not for praise, but for the lives that we will shape. We bring your values with us home, in every choice, in every road. And when the next hard season comes, we'll rise again. We'll carry on.
I don't need to tell about the struggle already. Here you are. The day has come. So may I ask you to take a stand. Take an about face. Harapin nyo ang madla na nasa likod nyo. Without them, you're not here today. Say your loudest thank you.